Okay, well, our bottles are on. Argon CO2 mixture is set. We're going to do a couple of little test patches here to make sure that I've got the speed set up correctly. I'll be interested to know what the camera does when this starts to flash. I've got my heat set at just under 30 and my wire speed a little slower than that. So we're just going to do a quick pass here and see what happens. Yeah, it was a very good sound. And of course this is very thick plate, so I'm not getting huge penetration at only 30. But on the vehicle itself, we're welding very thin material. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to turn my wire speed down just a hair. Nope, the sound of sizzling bacon. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So we're ready to weld. Okay, well, our welding is all done. This area is going to get nothing fancy. It is going to get a quick scuff. It was already all washed and cleaned before we tackled putting the patches on. It's totally hidden behind the valance, the front cover, and everything else. So we're doing things that no one's ever going to see, but at least we know we did them. So it's going to get a quick scuff. Oh, it is time to paint. Good old trim class.